Hello, everyone. Today I will show you how to fix Slack two-factor authentication problems in 2026. Many users get stuck during login and they don't receive the OTP code or the Authenticator app doesn't work properly. First, let's understand why this happens. Slack 2FA issues are usually caused by time mismatch on your device, wrong Authenticator app, lost backup codes, or account sync problems. The good news is most of these are fixable. Step 1, check your device time and date. Two-factor authentication depends on correct system time. Enable automatic date and time on your phone or PC. Step 2, confirm the correct Authenticator app. Slack works with apps like Google Authenticator, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator. Make sure you are using the same app you set up originally. Step 3, try backup codes. When enabling 2FA, Slack gives backup codes. Use one of those codes if the Authenticator app is not working. Step 4, check email verification. Sometimes Slack sends a confirmation link to your email. Open the latest email and verify your login attempt. Step 5, sign in from a browser. If the Slack desktop app fails, try logging in from a web browser. This often helps reset the authentication flow. If nothing works, contact Workspace admin or Slack support. They can temporarily disable 2FA for recovery. This is the final option if you're locked out. So yeah, Slack two-factor authentication problems usually come from time sync issues, wrong apps, missing backup codes, or login conflicts. Follow these steps and you should regain access safely. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.